Hello everyone, my name is Guzar Pallavi Shivaji. My seminar topic is Applications of Microbes in Environmental Science. Here are some applications of microbes in environment. First is agriculture, second in sewage treatment, third in nitrogen cycle, fourth in biocontrol agent, and fifth in a cleaning environment. First application in agriculture. Increases the soil fertility. Microbes play important role in increasing the soil fertility. Soil fertility or its capacity to enrich the natural and agricultural plants is depends on the three components. First is chemical fertility, second is physical fertility, and third is biological fertility. Chemical fertility means the chemicals present in the soil, and the physical fertility means the appearance or the texture of the soil, or it is nothing but the physical appearance of soil. Then third fertility, that is biological fertility, means the biological fertility refers to organisms that live in the soil. Microorganisms in soil like bacteria, actinomycetes, fungi increases the soil fertility. These microbes decomposes organic matter. They use the carbons, nutrients in the organic matter for their own growth, and they releases excess of nutrients in the soil, which is helpful for the growth of plant. And next, in the sewage treatment, microbes play important role in sewage treatment or wastewater treatment. Microbes or microorganisms are workhorses of wastewater treatment system. They responsible for removal of pollutants and pathogens and producing a clean water. In secondary treatment of sewage or the wastewater treatment, microbes remove contaminants from the wastewater, and microbes break down the chemicals and biological waste in sewage, digesting the organic matter present in it, and releases an enzyme which help in the degradation and removing the organic matter from the sewage. So this is the use of microorganisms in the sewage treatment or wastewater treatment. Next application is biocontrol agent. Many microbes are acts as a biocontrol agent. They causes diseases in the pest of plant, and they prevent the plant from pest. Example is a bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis is used to get rid of butterfly caterpillars, where dried spores of bacillus are mixed with the water and then spread onto the vulnerable plant such as brassicas and fruit trees, and these are eaten by the insect larvae, and in the gut of larvae toxins is released and then the larvae get killed. So most of these microbes like the bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, they act on the pest of plants and prevent the plant from the pest. Another one application is nitrogen cycle. Many microorganisms play important role in maintaining the nitrogen cycle, and hence they are also called as the biological nitrogen fixer. Nitrogen fixing bacteria in soil and within the root nodule of some plant convert the nitrogen gas in the atmosphere to ammonia. There are two types of bacteria present in soil. One is nitrifying bacteria and another one is denitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria convert ammonia to nitrites or nitrates and make it usable for the plant. Hence, it is also called as the biological nitrogen fixer. The denitrifying bacteria convert nitrates back to the nitrogen gas. And in this way, the nitrogen cycle is maintained by microorganisms that like the bacteria present in the soil. Here in diagram, many prokaryotes or bacteria convert the nitrogen gas into the ammonia, and nitrifying bacteria convert this ammonia into the nitrates. or nitrates, and which is used by the plant for its growth. Then some of the denitrifying bacteria convert these nitrates or nitrites into the nitrogen gas and release it into the atmosphere. So in this way the nitrogen cycle is maintained by the microbes present in the soil. Next application is cleaning environment. In cleaning environment, bacteria or the fungi and many other microbes play important role. The bacteria and fungi decomposes complex organic matter into the simple. These microbes convert the dead decaying matter into the manure, which is helpful for the growth of plants. And in this way the microbes convert the dead decaying matter and they clean the environment. So these are all the applications of the microbes in the environmental science. Thank you.